Hello, boys and girls. How are you? I hope you are doing well and ready to study. Let's start our lesson. In previous lesson, we talked about fun places. Now, we will continue to talk about it. In today's lesson, we will read the text, do the tasks, revise the present continuous tense, and play the game. Let's start. Now, boys and girls, let's read the text and mark if the sentences are true or false. Aru finished school at 3 o'clock. Her mother waited for her with Rex, the dog. Can we go to the park with Sole, mother? Asked Aru. Okay, we can go for an hour, answered mother. When they got to the park, Aru and Sole ran to the swings and slides. She sat down and started to read a book. She sat down and started to read a book. Mark the sentences true or false. Aru finished school at 3 o'clock. Is it true or false? It is true. After school, Aru went to the playground with her friend. This sentence is false. The correct sentence is, after school, Aru went to the park with her friend. Aru didn't have a dog. Is it true or false? It is false. The correct sentence is, Aru had a dog, Rex. The next sentence. Aru's mother waited for her on a bench. It is true. It was great job. Boys and girls, now look at the screen. Let's revise present continuous tense. Interrogative sentence. Is she riding a bike? Negative short answer. No, she isn't. She is going to school. Look at the box below. The verbs are play, swim, and run. And do you remember the rule? We add ing in present continuous. For example, play becomes playing. Swim becomes swimming. Here, the letter M is doubled. Run becomes running. Here, the letter N is doubled. Now, let's practice. Read and circle. It's spring. Are you flying your kite? Yes, I am. It's summer. Are you wearing your coat? No, I'm not. It's autumn. Are you swimming? No, I'm not. It's winter. Are you making a snowman? Yes, I am. You did a great job. Now look at the screen. Write the questions, then look and answer them. You see Sultan, Nurlan, and Soleh. And this is a dog. Use the words Sultan and sit. Is Sultan sitting? No, he isn't. He is running. Use the word Soleh and ride a horse. Is Soleh riding a horse? No, she isn't. She is riding a bike. Sultan and fish. Is Sultan fishing? No, he isn't. He's flying a kite. Nurlan and play tennis. Is Nurlan playing tennis? No, he isn't. He's playing football. The dog and swim. Is the dog swimming? No, it isn't. It's running. Great job! Let's play the number game. For that, you should do the sums and tell the sentence in present continuous tense. For example, number 33. Look at the picture. For example, 20 and 13. Is it 33? Right, it is. And what is he doing? He is flying a kite. Very good. Let's continue doing it. Number 40. Please find on this picture. She is riding a horse. Number 49. He is playing football. Number 20. Did you find? Then please tell, what is she doing? She is riding a bike. Number 27. Yes, he is swimming. What about number 70? He is fishing. Number 58. He is drawing. Boys and girls, you did a good job. I'm very proud of you. You are so smart. In today's lesson, we have read the text, done the tasks, revised the present continuous tense, and finally we played the game. Now the lesson is over. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day today.